Hey, are you wondering what you can create with a wooden cutout, a foam brush, and a magnet? Well, stay tuned to Let's Create Teen DIY and find out. Hi there, I'm Stacey, the Teen Services Library Assistant at the Goffstown Public Library, and this is Let's Create Teen DIY. Okay, so with just a few more materials, we are going to turn our wooden cutout into a mini chalkboard. So come on, I'll show you how. So here are the supplies needed: a wooden animal cutout, sandpaper, a sponge-tipped art brush, chalkboard paint, a round magnet, newspaper and paper towels, and of course some chalk. So for step 1, you want to start with the smoothest side of your wood cutout, and then use the sandpaper if you need to make it a little bit smoother. So for step 2, we begin painting our wooden cutout. Protect the work surface with newspaper, and then paint a thin layer of chalkboard paint using your sponge art brush. Make sure to allow it to dry for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can paint another thin layer of chalkboard paint. You can paint as many layers as you want. Those 3 should be enough. And make sure you allow a 1 hour dry time between layers. After your final paint layer, allow the chalkboard paint to cure for 24 hours. So for step number 4, you're going to apply your magnet. Turn your wooden cutout over so that you have the bare backside of the animal cutout, and you're going to now attach your magnet. Now, you may have a magnet that has a sticky back to it, and in that case, just remove the paper covering and stick your magnet onto the wooden cutout. If your magnet does not have a sticky back, then you're going to need to use some glue. So school glue or hot glue would work. Just make sure you allow it to dry. Your mini chalkboard magnet is ready to use. So go ahead, write a small word or a funny doodle. A lightly dampened sponge will clean the chalk off your mini chalkboard magnet when you are ready to change the word or picture. That's it for Let's Create Teen DIY today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it below and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Goffstown Public Library's YouTube channel so you can get all our great content. Have a great day. Bye.